Hello, welcome back to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to show you how to manage your themes. Themes are simple and flexible. You can create one for every occasion. Let's open the modal for themes. First, you can duplicate a theme with just one click. This is perfect for creating seasonal versions like Black Friday or Christmas. Also, if you don't like a theme name, you can tap Rename and change it. If you no longer need a theme, simply hit Delete to remove it. And finally, you can select any theme to modify. Preview it instantly and start editing right away. With Feng Cart, managing your themes is easy and intuitive. Create one for every occasion and switch between them instantly. No coding required. Try it free today and launch your app in minutes. See you in the next video.